Whoa. Okay, I have it, everyone. Here's, there's Petey, the bird. Here's Petey. Baylor, don't touch him. Don't, Baylor. You're just getting yourself killed. Fly for me, Petey. Fly. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, there you go. Oh.
Yeah, this is.
Bite me. That's right. That's right. I'm looking at you.
Is it good? Close-up view. Close-up view.
Baylor, I don't want this bird to ruin my camera or something.
Kevin, hurry up.
Kevin, make your bird fly. It won't fly for me.
You have to touch it, kind of thing.
Whoa, there it is. There it is. Oh, whoa. Alright, that's Petey the bird.